Hey guys, Rana back here with new video, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how you can make your own WordPress blog. Moreover, that blog will be e-commerce website as well, so that you can make money with your blog by monetizing it with Google AdSense. Beside that, you can make money with your blog by selling your own products on that particular blog. So make sure you watch this video till the end. In the end of the video, I'll give you some tips to grow your blog and your e-commerce website. So before we get started, if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button if you've been enjoying these videos. So enough talking, let's jump straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own WordPress blog and your e-commerce website just like this one. So let's get started. So guys, before we start building this website, why don't you have a look at what kind of website that we are going to create in this video. First of all, let's look at the header section. Left hand side, you can see that we have some social links or social icons, and below that you can see we have menu, and right next to the menu we have the shop page, which we're gonna look at later on in this video. And right here you can see that we have subscribe button. People can subscribe to your website by clicking on that button. If someone click on that, they will land on this page. Here they can subscribe to your website by typing their email, and then they have to click on subscribe button, okay, which is cool, right? Below that we have the cart button. People who buy anything, any stuff from your website, they can go to the cart page by clicking on that cart button. As you know, right next to the cart button we have the search button. People can search any topic from your website, okay, which is cool. Now look at this icon over here, which is called burger menu icon, or you can say 3 lines icon. If someone click on that, we slide another section from the left side, which is looks pretty cool. So in this section I just placed some social icons over here. You can place any part of your website to this section, okay. And another thing I placed over here, I placed my Instagram account over here. People can check out my post of Instagram. They can follow me directly from here, which is pretty cool. Let's close this one. Now let's look at the post area. Post area made with a grid view. You can see that if I keep scrolling down, you can see a load more button available for us. If someone click on that, they can load more post from my website, okay. Let's go back to the top. Let's look at the right section. Right side, first we have the subscription form. People can subscribe to a website from here as well. Below that I just placed social links over here, and below the social links we have recent post section. And now you can see we have Twitter feed on this website. I already made a video on Twitter feed. You can check out that video to find out having a benefit of Twitter feed on WordPress. So whatever I tweet on Twitter, it's going to update over here, okay, which is pretty cool. People can follow me on Twitter by clicking on the follow button. Below that we have Facebook fan page. People can like my Facebook page by clicking on the like button directly from here, which is pretty cool. Let's keep scrolling down. Now you can see that below the post area we have another subscription form. People can subscribe to your newsletter by typing their name, their email, then they can subscribe to your newsletter. Below the newsletter I just placed a Instagram section in my footer section, and below the Instagram section we have another social links or social media icons over here as well. Left side we have the blog text and the tagline design and developed by this blog, okay, which is pretty cool. Let's click on that to go to the top. So guys, this is going to be your blog. Now let's look at your web store where you sell your products. Let's click on shop to go to your web store. So guys, this is going to be your online store. Here you can sell your products. You just have to add multiple products over here to fill out your web store. I just placed only one product to show you guys how it looks like on your website. If someone wants to buy this product, they have to click on that, and now you can see that beautiful product page. You can see that we have gallery images, and we have short description, we have beautiful title over here, and we have pricing, sale price, and below the short description we have add to cart button, and we can change the quantity of this product by clicking on these arrows. And below that we have full description of this product, and you can see that people can check the review of this product by clicking on the review tab, which is pretty good. If someone wants to buy this product and they have to click on add to cart. Now you can see that we added 2 items onto cart because one item is already there in my cart. If you want to go to the cart page, you can click either here or here. Let's click on view cart. So guys, this is going to be your beautiful cart page. You can change the quantity from here either. Once you change the quantity, don't forget to click on update cart. Now let's look at the checkout page. Let's click on proceed to checkout. So guys, this is going to be a checkout page, beautiful checkout page. You can see that here your customer have to type their billing detail to proceed further. Once they type their billing detail, then they can proceed to the payment gateway page. So guys, now you saw WordPress blog and e-commerce web store. So without wasting more time, let's start building this website right away. First of all, to create any website, we require 2 things. First is web hosting and second is domain name. Web hosting is a place where your website file will be stored, and domain name is your website name. Now, what are the things you should consider before you buy a web hosting and domain name? When it comes to web hosting, first thing you should consider, it should be faster and lighter. If your web hosting is faster, then your website will be loaded before your competitor. And second, it should be affordable as well. And how should we pick a domain name for our website? First, it should be related to our website niche. For example, you plan to create a website for cooking content writing. Then your domain name should be cooking.com or related keyword to cooking. I've already created a separate video where I showed you guys how you can pick a best domain name for your business. You can find that video link in the description box of this video. And second, it should be high search volume. Now, click on the first link in the description box of this video and you will land on this website. On this website, we are going to buy a web hosting. I chose Hostinger because my personal 3-year experience with Hostinger's web hosting was great, and I found all the traits in this web hosting that I told you earlier. To buy a hosting plan from Hostinger, scroll down on this web page. Now you can see there are 3 web hosting plans: single web hosting for single website, and premium web hosting and business web hosting for multiple websites. So I'm going to buy premium web hosting. I'm going to click on add to cart. On this page, I'm going to buy this hosting for 12 months. So I'm going to select 12 months. Now come over here and type a coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description box of this video to get best discount for your first 12 months. After adding a coupon code, now click on checkout now. So guys, on this web page, you can sign up or you can log in. If you don't have account, you can go with sign up. If you already have account, you can log in. So I'm going to log in with my social media account. So on this page, select your payment method. I'm going to select UPI. Alright, now on this page, fill out all the required details like PAN card, your state, your city and your address. So I'm gonna type my PAN card number over here. After adding a PAN card, don't forget to change your state. I'm gonna type my state over here. And let's go ahead and refresh this web page. And now let's go ahead, click on continue with payment and click on this option and click on allow pop-up. It will open a new window where I can proceed with my payment. Now select UPI and here type your UPI ID. So I'm gonna type my UPI ID over here. Click on verify and pay. So now I'm going to skip this part and I'll see you with the next part of this video once I finish with this payment process.
2 very boring minutes later.
Alright, after finishing your payment process, now you see a welcome screen. Now click on start now. So over here, click on claim a free domain. Now select it. So guys, now type your domain name over here. So guys, if you're struggling to find a best domain name for your business, you can check out my other video. You can find that video link in the description box of this video as well as in the card right here. This video is going to help you to find a best domain name for your business. Now I'm going to select .com, which makes this domain a top level domain which is known as TLD. Now click on search. Now I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to click on skip. I will start from scratch. And finally click on finish setup. Now click on manage site. Now you can see an alert message over here which says your domain name is not registered yet. Finish domain registration. I'm gonna click on that. Now here you have to type your full detail about your name, your last name, city, zip code, country, your phone number, and finally click on setup. Now click on continue to control panel. Alright guys, now you can see that our domain has registered successfully and it's active now. Now they also send us a verification email on our email address so that we can verify our domain name. Let's go to our email and open it up, and I'm gonna click on that link to verify my domain name, and I'm gonna click on verify email. Confirm verification email. The email has been verified. You can close this. After the verification of domain name, now let's go back to Hostinger. Now we are inside the hosting panel of Hostinger, and now let's close these tabs because we don't really need them anymore. If you do not know how to go to hosting panel, let me show you. Let's go to home page first, and now click on manage alongside with your domain name under the hosting section. Now scroll down, now click on auto installer under the website section, and here we're going to install a WordPress. Let's click on WordPress. I'm gonna type my admin username over here, and I'm gonna type my admin password over here, and type your admin email, and type your website title over here, and finally click on install. Alright guys, now we successfully installed a WordPress. You can access your website by clicking on this link. Alright guys, this is your website looks like by default. Okay, now let's go to the dashboard of WordPress. To do that, let's type /wp-admin, then press enter, and type your admin username and type your password, and click on login, and I'm gonna click on save. So now we are inside the dashboard of WordPress, but our website does not have SSL certificate. To install SSL certificate, let's go back to your hosting panel, and let's click on SSL, and then click on setup. Now select your domain name and then click on activate. So now you can see that SSL certificate is active now on our domain. If we go back to our website and if we refresh this web page, let's log in once again. So guys, now you can see that we have Let's Encrypt SSL certificate on this website. Alright, now let's start building our website. I'm gonna close this tab. First of all, hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes, and then click on add new, and then click on upload themes. For now, this particular blog or website, we are going to buy a premium quality theme. I will provide you the link in the description box of this video to go to this website. So guys, this is a theme that we are going to buy for our website. If you buy premium quality theme or a real theme, this will help you to get monetized your website quickly and easily. Okay, so this is why we are use premium and real theme for our website. If you want to make money for long-term period, this is the best choice for you guys. Once you buy or download this theme as a zip file, let's go to your dashboard and drag and drop your zip file over here, and click on install now, and then click on activate. So theme is activated now. Now we are going to install required plugins. Click on begin installing plugins. Now check this box to select all of them, and click on this drop down menu and select install, and then click on apply. It will install all the required plugins. Now all the plugins installed successfully. Now click on return to the dashboard. Hover your mouse over plugins, then click on install plugins. Now I'm going to delete these one, anti-spam, hello dolly, because I don't want to install those plugins, so I remove them. If you notice, we see a alert message over here. You will need to set domain key to use online services. Click here to set. Let's click on that. Request domain key. Click on that. Applied for domain key successfully. Please wait for result. Domain will be automatically sent to your WordPress. This plugin will generate a domain key for you. Alright guys, now let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. Now you can see that congratulations, your domain key has been approved. The setting has been updated accordingly. You can close this one. Let's click on customize. Now you can see that there are no content over here. To add a content, let's close this one and let's go back to the dashboard. So guys, now we are going to import a demo content. To do that, hover your mouse over appearance and then click on demo content and then click on import demo data. So it may take some time. I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done. Alright guys, that's it, all done. We have successfully imported our demo data. Now you can go to your dashboard and let's hover your mouse over here and right click over here, open your website in a new tab. So guys, now you can see that this is your website looks like by default. This is all dummy content, widgets, stuff like that. Now we are going to modify this website according to our need. Okay, first of all, go to your dashboard. Let's hover your mouse over post and click on all post. In here, I'm going to delete my hello world post by clicking on trash. So guys, over here you should delete the demo post and start writing your own content on your website. In order to remove the demo post, you have to click this box and it will select the entire post on one page. Now select move to trash from this drop down menu and finally click on apply. This way you can remove your demo post from your website. In my case, I'm not going to delete them. I'm going to edit them one by one. So let's click on edit. So in this latest version of WordPress, this is the newest post editor, which is I don't really like. I like to edit my post and write a new post in the classic editor of WordPress. So I'm going to install a classic editor in my WordPress. So let's go to the dashboard of WordPress and hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new. We are going to install classic editor. Let's click on install now and then click on activate. So guys, we have successfully installed this plugin, and now let's hover your mouse over post and click on all posts. Go ahead, click on edit. So guys, here I'm going to change the title and let's look at the right side. Here I'm gonna add a new category. I'm gonna type Android and I'm gonna click on add new category. I'm gonna uncheck this one and let's come over here and I'm gonna type few tags over here. And now let's change the featured image. I'm gonna remove this one and let's click on set featured image, and then I'm gonna click on upload file and I'm gonna upload this image over here and click on set featured image. And now I'm gonna click on update. In your case, you have to click on publish and don't forget to write your post content over here. Okay, let's click on all post once again and let's click on edit. I'm gonna edit another one. I'm gonna type best Android phone in 2020. If you have a YouTube video URL, you can type over here. You can change layout option, sidebar, page header type, or auto load next post. You can change different types of style for your website. And then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna uncheck this one and this one, and I'm gonna choose my Android category for this particular post. And let's add tags. I'm gonna choose recent one and I'm gonna remove the featured image. Let's add another featured image over here. Click on upload file, select file. I'm gonna select this one and click on set featured image, and let's click on update. After that, click on all post once again. So guys, I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back when I edit few more posts over here, just like I added these one. Alright guys, now you can see that I just added few more posts over here. And now let's look at our website. Let's go back here and let's refresh the web page. So now you can see that I added few more posts on my website, as you can see that. Next step, let's go back to the dashboard and let's click on settings and let's click on general. Let's change few settings over here. Here you can change your website tagline. I'm gonna type over here, learn VFX and motion graphics. Make sure membership checkbox is checked, which means anyone can register on this website, because we are going to add a web store on this website as well. And finally click on save changes and now click on reading. So guys, here you can change your home page. You can choose any static page you want. In this drop down menu, you can select shop page as your static page if you want to display your product on your home page. But in my case, I'm not gonna do that. Finally click on save changes and now click on permalinks. So guys, on this page, make sure you check the post name and then click on save changes and then go to the social links, and here you can add social links on your website. I like to add Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and that's pretty much it. Once you do that, don't forget to click on save changes. And now let's click on Facebook. Here you can type your Facebook username. I'm gonna type my Facebook username over here, and then go to Twitter and type your Twitter username, and then here you can type your follower count, and then go to Instagram. I'm gonna type my Instagram username over here, and you can type your follower over here. And then click on Pinterest, type your Pinterest user here and your Pinterest follower. Let's go to YouTube tab. Here I'm gonna type my YouTube channel URL. Here I'm gonna type my current YouTube subscriber, and finally I'm gonna click on save changes. I'm done with social links, and finally click on connect. First of all, I'm gonna connect my Instagram account. I'm gonna click on connect, click continue, log in with your Instagram account, and you can connect your Instagram account. I just connected my Instagram account over here successfully, and I'm also gonna type my following and followers manually over here. Finally, I'm gonna click on save settings. Let's go to Facebook, and I'm gonna connect my Facebook fan page with my website. Now click on continue as my username. Now account successfully connected. let's go to Twitter, click on connect, log in with your Twitter account. I already log in my Twitter account. I'm gonna click on authorized app. So Twitter account successfully connected. Alright, now we are done here. Alright, now let's go back to your website and let's refresh the web page. And let's click on customize. So in here, let's go ahead, click on theme demo. So now I'm going to select a square type theme design. Now I'm going to activate this square type demo. I'm going to click on activate and then click OK. Alright, now you see our post area made with a grid view, and this is the hero section. And now let's start customize it. First of all, let's click on site identity. Here you can upload your main logo. So I'm going to upload a logo over here. I'm going to select file, click on upload file, select file. I'm going to upload this logo. Right now I don't have a VFX official logo. I'm going to upload Pixel Dude logo on this website. I'm not going to upload large logo over here. Here I'm going to upload a footer logo, and I'm going to select the site icon, which I'm going to select this logo again, select crop. So this is going to be your site icon. Now I'm going to click on publish. Let's go back here and let's click on design. So guys, here you can activate a different type of color pattern that you like. I like this one. I'm going to click OK. Great. And let's go to header setting. And now here I'm going to display social icons on my header section. And now I'm going to choose the color scheme to bold. Let's scroll down. Now you can see that we have the subscribe button over here, but we don't have a subscribe button link. We're going to leave this for now. We will update this later on in this video. But for now, I'm going to click on publish. Let's go back. Let's go to footer setting. Scroll down. Let's click on general. Let's change this design and dwell by. I'm going to copy my website URL and I'm going to paste over here. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to paste this one, and I'm going to change the name as well. Alright, here I'm going to type my Instagram username, and now I'm going to click on a subscription form, display subscription section. Currently it's not going to appear on our website because we have to set up our subscription form. Let's click on social links and display social links. Scroll down and I'm gonna choose color scheme to bold. How many social links you want to display, you can choose from here. Once you're happy with your settings, don't forget to click on publish. Let's go back here. Actually I don't like logo in my photo section, so I'm going to remove that logo from my photo section. Great. Let's click on publish. Let's go back. Now let's go to the menus. Let's scroll up. Now click on create a menu. I'm gonna call it main menu. I'm gonna choose menu location primary. I'm gonna click on next, and here I'm going to add item to this menu. First item would be a home page. Next I'm going to add category. I'm going to add WordPress, Android. That's it. And finally I'm gonna click on publish. And if you wanna create a drop down menu, then what you can do is you can click on add item. Let's go to post, or you can go to pages. Select any page you want to add into your menu. Now drag and drop this page under any item of this menu to create your drop down menu. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. Let's go back. Let's open up primary menu, scroll down and remove this primary menu from mobile view as well, and then click on publish. Let's go back once again. Let's click on homepage setting, hero section. I don't like this hero section on my website, so I'm gonna uncheck this one and I'm gonna click on publish. Let's go back. Okay, now let's close this customize for now. If you scroll down, you can see that. So as you can see that we don't configure our subscription form. In order to set up our subscription form, you have to click on opt-in form settings. It will take you to this page. Now here you have to click on MailChimp account. So guys, on this website you have to create an account. I already have account, so I'm going to click on login. So guys, as you can see that I've successfully logged in into my account. Now I'm going to click on this drop down menu alongside with my account, and then click on account. Hover your mouse over extra and then click on API keys, and here I'm going to create a key. I'm going to click on create a key, and now I'm going to copy this key. And let's go back to this web page, and I'm going to paste my API key over here and check this box and then click on save changes, settings save, default audience. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to click on save changes once again. And now let's go back here and let's refresh your web page. Let's see. And now you can see that your subscription form is working now. And now let's go to customize once again. I'm going to close this one and this tab also. So guys, now you can see that subscription form is working now. Now let's go back to the top, and now we need to work on with our this subscription button. So guys, if someone click on this subscribe button, you can see that nothing's happening. We only see a home page of this website. So let's fix this button. Let's click on customize and let's click on header settings. Scroll down. Now you can see that we don't have button link over here. Let's go back to your MailChimp account and now click on audience and then click on subscription form and now click on form builder. Select that. So guys, this is your sign up form URL. Let's copy it. Let's go back here and paste that sign up form URL over here. And now click on publish. Let's close this one and let's check our subscription button. Let's click on the subscribe button over here. So guys, now you can see that our subscription button is working now. If you want to change this template, you can go back to your MailChimp account and here, so you can scroll down. You can hide any section that you want, or you can remove them if you want to. Let's remove them. You can type delete over here in capital letter DELETE. Enter. Select this one. Now let's go back to your form page. Let's reload this web page. Now you can see that we only have the email section over here, which is good. Let's close this one. So guys, now we have successfully fixed our subscribe button. Now let's go to customize once again and let's go to widgets. Let's go to default sidebar and now I'm going to remove most of them. Okay, first I'm going to add the subscription form. Let's drag and drop this over here and now let's add another widget. Here I'm going to add social links. Color scheme would be bold. Template would be 4 column. I'm going to click on done. Let's add another widget. Here I'm going to add the Twitter feed section. So guys, here you have to type your Twitter username. I'm going to type my Twitter username over here. Number of tweets you want display. Let's go for 4 and I'm going to click on done. Let's reorder them. I'm going to drag and drop the recent post section above my social links. A recent post would be 3. Next I'm going to add another widget. Let's search for Facebook and click on that Facebook fan page. If you scroll down, you can't see your Facebook fan page widget over here unless we type our Facebook fan page URL. So I'm going to type my Facebook fan page URL over here. Now you can see that my Facebook fan page available on my website. Let's click on done. Great. We almost done here. Now finally click on publish. Let's go back here. Let's open up the canvas area. This is your canvas area. Let's remove this archive and let's remove the category and meta. Here I'm going to add social links. I like to add 4 column social links and this is going to be a bold and I'm going to click on done. Now you can see social links available on our website, or you can change the title of this social link as well. You can type over here, follow me. Now I'm going to add Instagram widget. Let's search for Instagram and select Instagram. Here you have to type your Instagram user ID. If you don't type it, it won't display your Instagram account. So now I'm going to type my Instagram user ID over here. Alright, now you can see my Instagram account in the hero section of this website. Number of images you want to display, number of column you want to display, you can change over here. Let's click on done. You can add Pinterest if you want to. You can add Pinterest board or Pinterest profile. Let's add Pinterest profile. Here you have to type your Pinterest profile URL. So this is my Pinterest profile URL. Let's check it out. Okay, now you can see that my Pinterest profile also available on my website. Let's click on done and finally I'm gonna click on publish. Alright guys, as you can see that we are finished with our WordPress blog. Now it's time to add a online store into this website. To do that, let's go to the dashboard, hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new. Come over here and search for WooCommerce and install this plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. And now let's set up our WooCommerce plugin and click on yes please. And here you have to type your web store address, select your country, city, postcode and then click on continue. Just count me in and then click on continue and select your category. I'm gonna select other and now I'm going to type the description and I'm gonna click on continue. On your website, if you plan to sell physical product, then select the first option. Otherwise, you can select the second option if you want to sell digital product. However, you can sell both product on your website simultaneously. In our case, we will select both of them and then click on continue. How many products do you plan to display? I don't have any product yet. You can select this one or you can select this one. Okay, currently selling elsewhere. Now you can uncheck this one. These are the extensions. Click continue. Finally click on continue with my active theme. I'm gonna click no thanks. Click on continue, and that's it. Your WooCommerce initial setup is finished. Now hover your mouse over WooCommerce and click on settings. So guys, here make sure you add your store address, selling location, sell to all countries, shipping location, ship to all countries. Okay, if you want enable taxes, you can enable that. So guys, in this particular video I won't go very briefly about this WooCommerce plugin. I already made a separate video on this plugin. You can check out that video to learn more about WooCommerce plugin. Okay, but for now I'll show you how you can get started with this e-commerce website. In the currency option, here you can choose your currency. I'm from India. I'm going to select Indian rupees. I already selected that, and currency position left, and everything is good over here. And let's go back to the top and now click on products. In shop page, make sure shop page is selected. Everything is good here, and finally click on emails. First 3 emails should be yours, and let's go to payment tab. If you want to know how to set up payment gateway, you can check out my other video. Like I said earlier, you can set up your payment gateway easily by watching that video. Okay, for now, once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Now let's come back here and click on customize, and now I'm going to open my menu section. Let's click on main menu, and here I'm going to add item. I'm going to add a shop page, and let's go back once again, and finally click on publish, and we are done here. Let's close this one, and now let me show you how you can add post on your web store, because if we go to the shop page, we don't see any product on our website. In order to add product, let's go back to the dashboard. Hover your mouse over products and then click on add new. Here I'm going to type product name. Let's say iPhone 11 Pro 64 GB. Here I'm going to type my full description. So let's go to Amazon and let's search for iPhone 11 Pro. Let's open it up. So here I'm going to copy the full description, and let's come back here and I'm gonna paste my full description over here, and let's scroll down. In the general settings, I'm gonna choose the regular price, which is currently this one, and let's copy the sale price. Okay, great. I'm going to delete this one as well. Alright, now here I'm going to type the short description. Let's copy the short description from here. Let's add product gallery images, upload files, select file, and finally click on add to gallery, and now click on set product image, and let's select this image. Here you can add the product tag. Here you can add the product tags, iPhone 11 Pro, or you can add category, Apple, iPhone, and then click on add new category, and we are done here. And finally click on publish, and now let's go back here and let's refresh our web page, and now you can see that we have Apple iPhone 11 Pro 64 GB on our store. If someone click on that, they will land on this product page. Okay, which is pretty cool. So guys, these are the basic things you need to know whenever you add new product on your website. So guys, finally we have created our WordPress blog and e-commerce store. Next step you have to do is you have to submit your blog into web directories. I already made a video on how to submit your WordPress website into web directories. You can find that video link in the description box of this video. Go ahead, monetize your website with Google AdSense to make money with your blog. Go ahead, watch this video where I'll show you guys how you can monetize your website with Google AdSense step by step. By watching this video, you will monetize your website with first attempt. And of course, you can learn more about e-commerce store by watching this video. And finally, if you want to know more about customization for your WordPress website, you can check out this video where I show you guys how you can customize any kind of WordPress blog or website. All these video links in the description box of this video. Don't forget to check out the description box, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you learned something, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. It's really appreciated. So that being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.